And Northwest Hiker here, and Rocky down here on the floor watching the dogs run around on the beach. I don't know if you can see out the window. There's my beach view looking out my camper window. A couple guys just pulled in and gonna head out surfing. Sun just came out. There's a patch of blue sky up there looking out over the ocean. I'm pulled off just right off the access road. I think this is Bastendorff Beach Road. That's what I'm on. There's a view looking out my back door. I was hoping this minivan would leave. They're from British Columbia. There was the guys in the white truck just pulled in. So darn it. Looks like all the surfers are coming in here, so I guess somebody's turning around or just gonna pull in and park, I guess. Probably not happy that we're parking in their parking area. Surfer going out. That's dogs running around out here. Rocky, are you gonna go join the dogs? I got him on a leash. Just heading out in the surf there. A few people out there surfing. I'll have to watch to see if he catches any waves. Hey, Rocky, you want to go down there and play with those dogs? Huh? Rocket, they got to chuck it down there. He's running by here. Oh, another surfer coming out here. There's another dog in the surf down there, Rock. You want to go check out this chunk of seaweed? There's a nice big chunk here. What is that, Rock? Huh? Now let's see if that surfer. Uh-oh, here comes a big wave. Coming in, it's going to get me. Uh-oh. Feet all wet, Rock. Let's see where'd that guy go. Here, come here, Rock. See if he gets a wave at all. He's out there in the good area. A couple pretty good sized waves coming in out there. Alright, I let Rocky off the leash. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, he's all excited now. Uh-oh, here comes a dog, Rock. You gotta go find a stick or something. Come on, pick up that. We gotta find a stick or something for you. Go get a stick. Rock, go get a stick or something. Come on, let's get a stick here, Rock. Here's the stick. Come on. Oh, she's got to chuck it. The tennis ball. We should have brought the tennis ball. We should have brought Wilson out here. What do you got wrong with your foot there? I think you stepped on something the other day. Messed your foot up. Yeah, come on. Yeah, I'll have to check his foot when we get back. I think he stepped on a sticker or something yesterday. Once he's been favoring that foot. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's see if that van leaves down there and I can back up with much bigger spot about 20 feet behind where I'm parked down there. I had to put Rocky back on a leash. I walked right up and peed on somebody's lawn chair. He rarely ever pees like a boy dog, and he has to go and embarrass me in front of everybody on the beach. Way to go, Rocky. Nobody was sitting in it, so just the principle of the matter, Rocky. You don't need to pee on somebody's lawn chair.